Hi, welcome back. Today's video we're going to make one of my favorite orange salads. I learned how to make it in home ec class in high school. It is a salad that can complement almost any meal. A summery, cool, fluffy salad, great for potlucks or picnics or barbecues. But this time I'm making it with a turkey dinner meal. And also we're going to be doing a pumpkin pie, but we're going to be doing that in part 2, but this is our part 1. And the salad is a 5-ingredient salad, so all you need is the ingredients, of course. You need Cool Whip, cottage cheese, crushed pineapple, mandarin oranges, and a small box of orange jello. And let's see, and 1 bowl and a rubber spatula. It's a super easy salad to make. Because last November 2020, I purchased 2 turkeys when they were on sale. I decided to prepare a turkey dinner meal this spring, which I'm showing you now how to do the salad, and then the pumpkin pie in the next video. Because these are one of my 2 favorite and easy to prepare. I call it Christine's orange salad, and then the regular pumpkin pie. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you stay tuned for the next one that's going to be coming up later for pumpkin pie part 2. So let's get started. Okay, from the ingredients that I just showed you, we are going to be making a pumpkin pie and an orange salad. And the orange salad is really perfect for really any meal. But tomorrow I'm going to be making a Thanksgiving. Tomorrow I'm going to be making a turkey dinner, and I like to have pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. And orange salad. So let's get started. Really simple to do. You just get a bowl. Any bowl will do, because you put everything in here. And then get your cottage cheese first. So if it will come off, you never know. So a spoon. You're going to take half of this. Half of the container, kind of mix it up a little bit. You just put it in your bowl. Kind of smooth it out a little bit. Then you can see you have half a spoon. Put it in the fridge. Yep. Okay. Then I take your orange jello. This is actually a big box. You would get this small box, but this is what I had in my cupboard, so I'm going to use it. I just use regular orange jello. Just take it out. I'm going to use half of the bag. I just put it back in the box. You can just use half your Jello with the hot water, and instead of 2 cups, you put 1 cup in and 1 cup of each, and then you have your enchilada. Put it over there. In here, and then I mix these 2 together. It's 5 ingredients you put in this. It's really super easy. I learned how to make it in high school. Many, many years ago. And you take your pineapple that you have. I had a big can. Again. So I just took half of it. And just put it in there. Okay. You take half your oranges, because I used a big can again. You had oranges. There's the camera. There we go. Just take half of these. Go into the salad. The rest of them are going to go on the top of your salad. Get all the little broken pieces out. Okay. And about half of them again. We get a little more, it's okay. I'm gonna go on the top. Put those aside. Mix these in together. Okay. Look at this. May not look very appetizing, but it's really, really good. Then you take your Cool Whip. Okay. That up. And you take the whole thing. The top part. Get all the good stuff. And you just fold this in. Folding as you gently stir it together. Okay. Mix it in a little bit. And just fold it in. I like to turn my bowl. Mix it all out. And after you're done, put it in the fridge to set. It's the easiest salad you could ever make. Or it's really good for a potluck. Made it one time for a potluck wedding I went to. Make sure it's all mixed together. You can do your little oranges before you let it set, or you can do it after. Okay. Make it look pretty in the bowl. Like that. There we go. There's that. You take your oranges you have in here. Just kind of get it side. You can put it in the freezer for a quick hardening if you like. I've done that. Once it's set, keep it refrigerated when you don't have it out, or you're gonna have a messy salad. Just put it all in there, just for me and my family for tomorrow. So I bought 2 turkeys during the holidays. Okay, the rest of it. It's all crumbs. Just put the little crumbs in the middle. There we go. There we go. Here, all set. Take a paper towel on the sides. There we go. You're all set. There's your salad. You put it in the fridge. Okay, there's that. Oh, I think I should put that in there. There's my pineapple in here. I'm going to use it for the cottage cheese. The rest of that cottage cheese I didn't use. Nice little condiment to a lunch. Cottage cheese and pineapple. Okay. There. Take the lid. Toss. Toss. And toss. Put these in the sink. Clean off everything. Get stuff ready for our pie. Easy to do. Okay, so here is our salad.